How can photography as a hobby be used as a profession? Well, this is a very interesting question, rather, because photography, uh, I would say, was because right now it's my profession. But when I was very young, I am still young, but when I was in school, uh, I really wanted to do something very creative, but I did not know what I wanted to do exactly. So I started to take photographs. I was very keen to take photographs. So from there, I started to learn about it. And anything when you start to learn, the initial curve, the learning curve is very tough actually. And after a point of time, when you know the basics and everything, when you know how to take a good photo, a good video, you know the basics of it, so it becomes much easier for you. But when you're learning and maybe planning to become a professional someday or later on, but when you suppose if you're starting right now and you are learning about photography, cinematography, lens, camera, DSLR and everything, you are just drooling on B&H, on the new Sony camera or new maybe somewhat old Canon cameras. So the most important thing that you need to understand is photography as a hobby is a very good thing, because yeah, obviously there is investment, but there is no liability. You don't have any, you're not starting a business, so you don't have to care about whether the money is coming in, or you don't have to sell anything to anyone. And please understand, photography is a service, it's not a product. You cannot sell it like as a product, and you cannot replace this with anyone else. You cannot mass produce it. It's a very specific profession, I would say. And you cannot you cannot substitute yourself with anyone else who can copy or give or take a photograph in your style. So that is very unique. It's very good, and it's kind of bad if you're looking to mass produce or scale up your business. Photography is not scalable unless and until there is a standard format. It's everything is controlled, the lighting. For example, if you're taking an indoor photo and everything is under control, so that is a separate issue. But if you're doing candid photography, wedding photography, you cannot be replaced by someone else, because your style is different, someone else's style will be different. So this might create confusion, and later on you don't want to disappoint your customer. So let's get back to the point. How can photography as a hobby be used as a profession? For example, photography is your hobby, right? And you are somewhat good photographer, you can at least take good photographs. So what you can do is you can just parallelly do your job. I previously have made a video explaining how you can start photography as a side business in India. So what you can do is, while you're doing your job, you can just contact free wedding photographers across the city, or the wedding studios, or maybe fashion photographers in your city. So you can just contact them, ask them like, I am doing this, I am a hobbyist, and I want to learn more about photography, learn about how the process goes around, learn about the business if you really want to know about the business. And ask them if they can give you an opportunity, or you can work as a freelancer. So if you enjoy weddings, then obviously you can go to weddings, become a freelance photographer, work for a few weddings, maybe 1 2 days, 3 4 days, and you can take a 3 4 days day off from your job and just do wedding photography. It's a very good freelance profession if you're really looking to do that, because it really it pays well. It, I won't say really pays well, but it pays well comparatively to other genres of photography. So you can do that. This is a very viable option for you. So what you will be doing is you will be pursuing photography as a hobby, but it will also fetch you a decent amount of money, and that is what I call being an hobbyist but earning as a professional, because you are following your hobby, you are learning about it, but in the same time you are earning a little bit from there as well. So this is how you can pursue your hobby of photography into a like a professional field, and you can earn somewhat money from this. And before you go, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more useful information every week. Also, like and share this video if you found this video useful. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below with your questions or suggestions. This channel is supported by viewers just like you. You can also just click the thumbnail and watch another video from this channel. I'll see you guys soon.